This is going to be a demonstration of using the Stupeflix video editing software. As you can see, the first thing they ask you is to select the theme for your video. The problem is they have 16 themes. Now, if this is your first exposure, you have no idea what those themes do, what they are, whatever, and each theme has its own variation of the number of lines that can be used in a title slide. Some of them allow a larger font on the first line and a smaller font on the second. Some of them allow 30 characters per line, some 50, and the same thing on the video captures. Depending on the size of the font, you get one line per caption. They recommend that you hold it to 50 characters so that it's readable. In addition to all of that, there are 6 different transition options that you'll get, which I will show you. So we're going to go and we're going to use the classic because that was their original theme. So if we pick this, it's going to allow us to create a video using the classic theme. Now, the classic theme allows 7 lines of 30 characters each on a title slide, and the first line will be in a larger font than the others. On the caption screen for the images in the classic style, you get 1 line of 50 characters. So let's go ahead and create that, shall we? We're going to choose the classic theme. We're going to say make a video. I don't need to listen to that music, okay? There is your interface for creating. If you click this, you get to add photos and videos, title slides, you can add a map, and you can choose a custom transition. Okay, so let's add a title slide, shall we? And we're going to say this is the classic. Allows 7 lines of 30 characters each. Line will be in a larger font than the other 6 lines. Okay, we need to edit that, take that out. Okay, we're going to say custom duration 10 seconds. We're going to say done. Okay. Now we'll go up here and we will add a custom transition. We'll add the fade to black and we'll say done. Then we're going to go over here and we're going to add a text. We're going to add photo. We'll get this from up here. We'll do the pictures. And I know what we want. We want this is. I know there is one called here AD1. I just can't find it. Oh, there it is right there. So we're going to open this and we're going to put that picture in there. Okay. Now, Notice this. If you click this, then you get options to edit it, duplicate it, delete it. You can add a text overlay, add an audio overlay, and you can insert a custom transition. So first, we're going to add a text overlay. Okay, and this gets on one line of 50 characters. Okay, we'll say done. Then we're going to add a transition, and that's going to be a white. We'll go to with white this time. And we'll say done. And then we're going to add another photo. And we'll say add two. It's slightly different. So we've added that, and now we're going that from now on, now that we have demonstrated the slide and the overlay, these next ones we will only demonstrate the transitions. So we've got the black, we've got the white. The next one would be crossfade. So we're going to add crossfade, and we'll say done. Now we'll go back here, and we're going to add another photo. And we'll say 3, and we'll say open. And once that's done, we'll add another transition. We did. This will be blur. So we're going to be doing blur right there. And we're done with that. We'll go back here. We'll add photo. Pick another one there. Say open. We're going to pick a transition. This will be cube. We'll say done. Go back, add another photo. We'll add the last transition, which will be sharp cut, and we'll say done. Then we'll go up here and we will add the last photo, which will be what this whole thing looks like before it renders. Okay. That's what it looks like before it renders. We will add a custom photo. We will go back to the fade to black. We'll say done. Then we will add our closing photos. Right here. And we'll say open. And we are now to the point where we can say, now you can use a quick review every time after you add each of these, but let's just go ahead and say produce and save. And we're going to save it in HD 720. And it's doing the setup. We can close this window, let it do its thing. It will send you an email when it's ready, and then you can download it, do whatever it is that you like. So that is basically how you produce a Stupeflix video. If you've got video snippets, you can upload them just like you did the photos, and it be join them together with transitions and whatnot. So that is it, and we're going to end this recording now. We're going to